Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The photography world is abuzz with anticipation for Sony's upcoming A7V, a camera poised to redefine the mirrorless market. With rumored groundbreaking specifications, enhanced usability, and cutting-edge technology, this successor to the acclaimed A7V is shaping up to be a game-changer for photographers and videographers alike. Today, we delve deeply into everything we know about the Sony A7V, from its design innovations to its advanced features and release timeline. Design and build. A blend of durability and ergonomics. The Sony A7V is rumored to draw inspiration from Sony's flagship A9 III, bringing significant ergonomic refinements. Here's what we can expect. Enhanced grip. A redesigned grip promises greater comfort, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. Whether you're a professional photographer or a vlogger, this improvement will ensure a secure, fatigue-free experience. Optimized button placement. The camera's buttons are expected to be strategically placed for intuitive navigation, allowing seamless adjustment of settings during a shoot. Durable construction. Built with a magnesium alloy body, the A7V is said to offer robust weather sealing. From rain-soaked landscapes to arid deserts, this camera is designed to endure harsh environments. Textured finish. A textured surface may enhance usability, ensuring a firm grip while maintaining a lightweight yet sturdy build. Sensor and processor. The heart of the Sony A7V. At the core of the Sony A7V lies its sensor, and this is where things get particularly exciting. Two possible configurations are rumored. 33MP XMR CMOS sensor. A tried-and-true sensor that delivers outstanding resolution and dynamic range. 44MP IMX366 sensor. If this newer sensor is implemented, it would bring unprecedented detail and resolution, perfect for large prints and intricate post-processing tasks. To complement this advanced sensor, Sony is likely to include its Bionz XR processor, renowned for faster processing speeds, enhanced noise reduction, improved responsiveness for both stills and video. Additionally, whispers of an AI processing chip suggest features like intelligent noise reduction, adaptive color profiling, and superior dynamic range management. These innovations aim to elevate computational photography to new heights, giving users more creative freedom. Viewfinder and display. Precision redefined. Sony is known for its exceptional electronic viewfinders, and the A7V appears to continue this tradition. Rumored upgrades include $5.76 million electronic viewfinder, a significant improvement over the A7IV's $3.68 million EVF, providing ultra-sharp previews and precise shot composition. Articulating touchscreen. Expected to cater to vloggers and photographers alike, this display will likely facilitate effortless framing and menu navigation. Connectivity and storage. Built for modern workflows. The Sony A7V could redefine connectivity with features such as dual-band Wi-Fi, ensuring faster and more reliable wireless transfers, crucial for real-time sharing or remote shooting. Enhanced storage options. A combination of dual SD card slots and CF Express compatibility promises seamless handling of high-resolution files and video recordings. Performance and speed. A powerhouse for action and videography. Performance upgrades rumored for the A7V include faster readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter effects, a boon for action and wildlife photographers. Continuous shooting at 20 frames per second. If paired with the 44MP sensor, this capability would make it a top choice for capturing fast-moving subjects. For videographers, the Sony A7V is rumored to support 4K recording at 120 frames per second, delivering smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage. 8K recording. A feature aimed at professionals who demand ultra-high resolution for filmmaking. Sony's renowned color science, advanced stabilization, and low-light performance could further elevate its appeal for content creators and filmmakers. Autofocus and AI. Intelligent precision. Sony has long been a leader in autofocus technology, and the A7V may raise the bar even higher. Real-time tracking. Enhanced subject recognition ensures unparalleled focus accuracy, whether shooting portraits, wildlife, or sports. AI capabilities. Potential features include eye and animal detection, perfect for capturing dynamic subjects. Intelligent exposure adjustments, adapting settings to various lighting conditions. Smart scene identification, streamlining the creative process with advanced computational tools. Release date and pricing. When can you get it? The Sony A7V is rumored to launch between January and March 2025, with availability shortly thereafter. While global production challenges may introduce slight delays, a Q1 2025 release seems likely. As for pricing, the A7V is expected to fall in the mid-$2,000 range, striking a balance between advanced features and affordability. This price point positions it competitively within the mirrorless market, appealing to both enthusiasts and professionals. Additionally, the release of the A7V could lead to price reductions for the A7 IV, offering a more budget-friendly alternative. User experience. A camera designed for creators. The Sony A7 versus rumored improvements go beyond technical specifications, focusing on practical usability. Enhanced low-light performance. Perfect for astrophotographers and event shooters. Faster readout speeds, enabling sharper images and smoother video. Advanced autofocus, ensuring reliable performance in dynamic conditions. These features aim to empower users to capture moments exactly as they envision them, whether they're transferring files wirelessly, shooting tethered, or editing on the go. Conclusion. A new benchmark in mirrorless cameras. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be more than just another camera. It's a statement from Sony about the future of photography and videography. By combining cutting-edge technology with practical innovations, the A7V promises to meet the needs of modern creators while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a professional looking for a reliable workhorse or an enthusiast eager to explore new creative horizons, the Sony A7V is poised to deliver an exceptional experience. Are you as excited about the Sony A7V as we are? What features are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for the latest updates on this and other exciting advancements in camera technology. Until next time, happy shooting!